Hello, friends. Welcome to our English class time. Today, we will practice talking about your day in slow and easy English. Are you ready? Let's start together. Morning routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wear my clothes. I wear my clothes. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink tea or milk. I drink tea or milk. After that, I am ready for the day. After that, I am ready for the day. Afternoon routine. In the afternoon, I go to school or work. In the afternoon, I go to school or work. I meet my friends or colleagues. I meet my friends or colleagues. I study my lessons. I study my lessons. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. Sometimes I eat lunch. Sometimes I eat lunch. I drink water or juice. I drink water or juice. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, but I keep working. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, but I keep working. Evening routine. In the evening, I come back home. In the evening, I come back home. I wash my hands and face. I wash my hands and face. I relax for some time. I relax for some time. I watch TV. I watch TV. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. I read a book. I read a book. Sometimes I go for a walk. Sometimes I go for a walk. Night routine. At night, I eat my dinner. At night, I eat my dinner. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I pray or say good night. I pray or say good night. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I sleep and rest for the next day. I sleep and rest for the next day. This is my daily routine. Now tell me, what is your routine? Practice every day. Speak slowly. You will learn English fast. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.